Welcome aboard the 2019 Sea Ray SDX 270. Today I'll walk you through the features and benefits and some key changes we've made for model year 2019. I'll also remind you that it's available in both outboard and stern drive power, so depending on where you do your boating or which propulsion you like, we've got an option for both. First, you can see this great sun pad that faces aft when you're at rest, lets you get out, enjoy the water, but it's also adjustable seating. Simply pull up, and now you've got nice built-in knee supports. Also under the seats, this gives you access to your engine compartment, as well as a massive storage unit here in the back. Plenty of room for water toys, fenders, other gear that you may need to store. Also, you'll notice with Sea Ray, we have A-side finishes on both sides of our hatches and doors. So this gives you a nice clean look, whether the hatch is open or closed. You'll also notice that they're all strut assist, so you don't have to worry about the hatch falling on your hands or your head as you're getting your gear out. And also with our latches, we use a cam style latch. So not only is the latch gonna latch your hatch closed, but it's also gonna snug it down and secure it, and that's gonna reduce rattles and vibrations when you're underway. For 2019, you have several different options for covering your transom area. On this boat here, we're showing the optional SeaDek, but it's also available in traditional non-skid fiberglass. This boat also has the optional fold-down swim step. Makes it super easy to reboard the boat, but also a great place to sit and hang out on hot days. With your transom walkthrough, you'll find an additional storage compartment here. Great place to store additional gear, fender lines, or shoes. This boat has the optional secondary transom remote, so you can control your audio from the aft of the boat. Optional washdown for your transom as well, and your optional transom door. So here in the cockpit, you'll have access to your battery switch. Simply raise the hatch, battery switch is located there. You'll also find ample storage here in the cockpit as well. You have dedicated cooler storage on the starboard side, as well as a massive storage on your port side. Also available is an optional cockpit table. Now we actually mount the table to the side. Again, that reduces your trip hazard, gives you more leg room. There's an additional in-floor ski locker, plenty of room for additional gear storage. And with this boat, we're showing it with the Infinity woven carpet. It's also available with your traditional marine grade carpet, and now available as snap-in SeaDek as well. So a few other changes for 2019. While the 2019 SDX 270 still comes standard with the gauge package, it's also now available with the 9-inch Simrad Go and also the 12-inch Go. We've also transitioned all of our audio over to Fusion. So on all of the Sea Rays now, you'll see a flat-mounted Fusion stereo system as we upgrade our audio system. Still have your traditional toggle switches on the SDX 270 and also still have your adjustable steering wheel. Here on the port side, it'll give you access to your large spacious head, as well as your locking glove box. So to increase your seating in the cockpit area, both the helm seat and the port side seat are fully adjustable to face aft and create these great loungers in the cockpit. Here in the bow, you'll find an additional in-floor locker, another great place for storage on gear. Also, each of your seats are hinged to give you additional storage there. We're also showing the optional bow table. Now this actually mounts to the side, so that keeps that floor mount away, so less of a trip hazard, gives you more leg room. And you also have access to your optional boarding ladder and your anchor locker. Thanks for joining me today as we walk through the 2019 Sea Ray SDX 270. Please visit SeaRay.com for additional models and full specifications.